Hey everyone, welcome back to Rocky Ridge Auto. This is our 2024 cargo van. Bulkhead has less than 12,000 miles, so let's go ahead and check out the back of it in the cargo area since that is the most important part of it. Taking a look back here, you have a handle on the right hand side next to the license plate, and then also that side door that opens up as well. Tons of storage and space back here, as well as some tools in case of any emergency. You have those side doors that you can enter and exit with nice and easy, and then you also have these door panels that can lock and unlock, so you can unlock it. It's a handy door handle. Let's go ahead and shut this, but first off, you shut the left side first. And let's go ahead and take a look at these side doors and how you get in. Once again, it is like the back. Open it up, plenty of space, and you can step in and see all of the space within, and then you can even access and look at the front area. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front area by popping into the driver's seat. Now that we're inside here, you can see that it has 11,800 miles. You have your windshield wiper settings over here, your cruise control settings on the steering wheel. You have your gear shift with your gear limit, and then you also can go ahead and put it in reverse, and you have a nice clear reverse camera up there on the mirror. This is back into park. Make sure you and others stay safely when you are in reverse. You have your climate controls right here, so you have your airflow, temperature, and mode. You can go ahead and access your radio, as well as you have an aux input for plugging in a phone. Other than plugging in a phone, you have your volume and going ahead and controlling your clock right here to adjust that. Tow mode, traction control off is down here. Plug in, as well as you have other plugins over here. Plug in your devices, make sure everything's charged up. Pocket, as well as air vents. You have cup holders, 3 of them, as well as some storage, and an area for your glove box with your man. Close that back up. And you also have adjustable armrests for the driver and passenger seats here. Put that up and down, toolkit in case of emergency. And once again, there's that bulkhead, so nothing can come going into the driver cockpit kind of area that is in the back while driving. The steering wheel here, you do have your trip reset, as well as tracking mileage and information in the vehicle, like your tire pressure, as well as your oil life, engine hours, things like that. You have your lighting settings, as well as door panel and mirror controls. Adjust those as you would like. But I think that about wraps up everything that I have for this van today. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, feel free to text or call us at 717-733-8985, or you can always stop in for a visit. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye!